Hi, I'm Sean Donnelly, moving expert and content producer for House Method. After working on more than 500 moves during my career, I've learned that there's nothing like proper planning to make your move a success. If you're getting ready for a long-distance move, here's a helpful timeline to make sure you stay on budget, on schedule, and organized. 8 weeks out. 2 months before your move, take a full inventory of your home. Write out lists of your possessions room by room. Take a preliminary estimate of how many boxes you think you'll need and write down which items you'll be keeping and what you'll be throwing away. Then, begin researching movers in your area. Pay attention to customer reviews and look into companies that are transparent about licensing and registration on their websites. Make sure to schedule quotes with multiple movers. 6 weeks out. Now's the time to begin fielding quotes from other movers. If you can't get fixed estimates, aim for a hard copy of your quote from your moving company representatives. For long-distance moves, quotes should have a full breakdown of your inventory and service requirements with pricing figures attached. If you're doing your own packing, you should get started around this time. Begin with non-essential items like out-of-season clothing and decorations. Pack 1 to 4 boxes per day, depending on the size of your home, and place your packed boxes in an out-of-the-way spot in their room of origin. Be sure to label all boxes with descriptions of the contents and their destination room. If you're doing your own packing, you should get started around this time. 4 weeks out. 1 month from your move date, confirm your move with your chosen moving company. Get a copy of your signed contract and confirm that your original estimate is still valid. Make arrangements for utilities to be switched on at your new address. Also, contact your current utility providers and notify them of your upcoming move. For a longer multi-day move, you should have utilities formally switched off a day after your scheduled departure and switched on a day before your arrival at your new home. Continue packing and arrange to get rid of all items you're not taking to your new home. Now is a great time to organize a yard sale or to list items for sale online. 2 weeks out. Most non-essential goods should be packed by the 2-week mark. At this time, I also recommend arranging for care for your children or pets on moving day. Moving is highly stressful, and keeping kids and pets away from essential moving day activities will help you and your movers. This is also a good time to file a change of address form with your local post office and change your contact information for all relevant subscriptions, bank accounts, and more. 1 week out. Label all major furniture with their destination rooms in your new home. Your movers will likely cover these labels with pads, but this will still greatly expedite your unload process. Pack all essential goods, leaving clothing, kitchen items, and linens for last. Plan your meals for the week, as you won't have access to kitchenware for a few days. Lastly, put together a moving bag with your vital documents and essential goods. Moving day. Now that the big day is finally here, you'll need to make sure all means of entry to your home are clear for your movers. If you're moving during the winter time, it's your responsibility to clear all snow or ice from your driveway or walkway, or most moving companies will not complete your move. Do not expect your movers to do this for you. When your moving crew arrives, your crew chief and movers will conduct a full walkthrough of your home. Indicate all the items that they have to take and inform them of any special items or requirements for the move. Finally, make sure to obtain a copy of your bill of lading once loading is complete. This should have a full breakdown of your inventory. I hope these tips help make moving day easier for you. For more information, resources, and reviews of the best movers in the business, visit housemethod.com. We hope you enjoy your new home.